turning off team chemistry and progressive fatigue. Okay. How's everybody doing? So today, I'm going to be rebuilding the 76ers. I'm starting a new thing where I'm rebuilding every single NBA team, one step at a time until I have every single team rebuilt. So I'm starting 76ers and I'm going to end on the Wizards. And we're going until you win a championship. So, what a better time to get started than now? So first of all, I'm going to build around Ben Simmons and Embiid. Everybody else is up for auction. As a matter of fact, Tobias Harris is already on there. Hang on, I'm going to see if I can get any good offers for this man. See if I get anything. Julius Randle. He's making a lot less money and he's on a shorter contract. Might be worth. DeMar DeRozan is an option. I think I'm going to go DeMar. Clear up some cap space and he's only on a 1-year deal. Okay, so he's going to be a small forward. Who do we have? We have a bunch of point guards. Do we have very many power forwards? No, we have Anthony Tolliver. So if I... Where's Ben Simmons? If I make him a power forward, does his overall goes way up. As a power forward. I'm going to keep him as a power forward. So there's 2 point guards. We need a backup power forward. Anthony Tolliver's not doing it. Don't see any decent power forwards. The best one was Patrick Patterson. I don't really want to do that. So, I'm thinking what I'm going to do. Who's the worst player on the team? Paul Reed. Sorry, brother. But we need a spot. Oh, yeah, bro. LaMarcus Aldridge retired. I'm not going to sign him. Poor Myers Leonard, bro. Got canceled. I'll sign him just because we need a backup power forward. Alright, I promise I do not support what he said. Don't cancel me next. Alright, there you go. Now I got 14 extra minutes. Ooh, I'm not giving Danny Green no minutes. I don't think he's better than Matisse Thybulle. I just don't. I think I'm gonna... Can I trade him? He's got a lot of money. I don't know if I can trade him. I don't know, but 33, 33, 33. Whoa, no, Dwight Howard is not a center. Alright. George Hill, you can get 20 minutes too. 23 for you. First scoring option, of course, is Embiid, then DeRozan, then Simmons. and see if I can get anything for Danny Green. And then I'm gonna simulate a couple of games. I just want to get out of his contract. That's what I should have did. I should have traded him for a power forward. Really nothing too good I can get for him. He is only on a 1-year deal, so I might just ride out his contract and keep him as a third string. Alright, I'm gonna sim to the contract extension deadline. Alright, so we're here now. We it's a solid first in the West, the East. We lost I think twice to the Nets. Yeah, that's tough. We lost to them both times, won by 11, and then I'm not doing the math a lot. DeRozan's averaging 19. Embiid's only averaging 23, which is strange because in real life he's averaging like 28, but whatever. Ben's averaging 19, 8 and 8. That's solid. DeMar's 19, 3 and 5. Okay, I almost said Shaq. Dwight off the bench is averaging 8 and 9. That is amazing with a block, 67% from the field. Okay, Dwight. How's Shake Milton doing? Starting point guard, not that efficient from 3. Jesus Christ. Other than that, 9 points and 4 assists. That's solid. George Hill off the bench. Might have to start him just for 3-point purposes. Tyrese Maxey, really good, best scorer off the bench for sure. Seth Curry, yeah, he's kind of good at the whole 3-point thing. Danny Green, 0 points a game. Matisse Thybulle cannot make a shot to save his life. Myers Leonard I signed to be a floor spacing power forward, and he's shooting 32% from 3. So he might be a release. He might end up, in fact, being a release. I'll give him till the trade deadline, and then I'll shop him, and if I don't get any good return, I will trade him. Or we'll cut him. What I am going to do is I'm going to start George Hill over Shake Milton for the 3-pointer. Because you need definitely some 3-point shooting around DeMar DeRozan and Ben Simmons. Let's see if we can get any good contract extensions. Danny Green, no, not really. I don't want to bring you back. DeMar, you want to test free agency. That's annoying. I should have your bird rights, though, because you're still technically... Yeah, I should have your bird rights. I'll see you guys at the trade deadline. On a little bit of a losing spill. Got blown out by the Lakers. Let's see, actually, real quick. Does it matter? LeBron. Who on our team made it? So there's Embiid. Sweet. I wonder if Ben Simmons or DeMar DeRozan made it. Okay, I did not mean to pick Karl-Anthony Towns. That just happened. I do not see Ben Simmons. There he is. Yeah, Ben Simmons made it, but DeMar didn't. Yeah, DeMar didn't. Alright, cool. So we got an all-star duo. Didn't he make it last year, too? With his 16, 8, and 8. Yeah, man. This guy barely improved in real life for his first couple of seasons. What is his stats this year? I don't even know what his stats are off the top of my head, but I assume that it's about the same. I hope he improved. I know Embiid improved a lot this year. I know Tobias Harris has been cooking. At the trade deadline, we are still first in the East by 0 games, apparently. But we got more wins, but more losses. So, yeah, 0 games. We're tied for first. The only person I'm looking to shop either Danny Green or Myers Leonard. Myers Leonard, 35% from 3 is a lot better. I think I'm gonna keep him. Just a floor spacer, get a couple rebounds, yeah, whatever. But I'm gonna shop Danny Green, and if I can get a better power forward, I can get a better power forward. I will not hesitate to take a better power forward. Davis Bertans. I do not want to commit to 4 years of Davis Bertans. 1 year of Rudy Gay. I don't think he has a team option. Isn't there a contract thing where I can look at that? Yeah, this is guaranteed to be his last season. He's averaging 13, 36% from three. Let's keep looking just to make sure there's nothing better. So far, that is the best option. Bojan Bogdanovic. Ooh, could make him a power forward. I don't know if I want to commit to that much money long term though. Mike Muscala's always goated in 2K. I think I'm gonna take Rudy Gay. Weird. There's Myers Leonard. Take away his minutes. Give them all to Rudy Gay. There you go. Rudy Gay should be a nice addition. Some guard skills. Got rid of Danny Green, who's not even getting playing time anyways. Got some real depth instead of just Myers Leonard, who's not really that good. 18 points a game. Yeah, whatever. 18 points, 18 minutes a game, bro. Imagine if he's averaging 18 points. I don't think there's really anything else I can do. Let me see if there's any other, like, who else on this team is expendable. Maybe Seth Curry to get out of his contract. Because that $8 million a year might screw us if we try to re-sign our good players. Terrence Davis. Nah. There's really nothing I could get for him that would make it worthwhile. Because Terrence Davis's potential is down in this 2K. What if there's anything I could get for like Anthony Tolliver? Matthew Dellavedova. No, I'm good. This guy killed it in my Thunder rebuild that I did just on stream. Went up to like 15 points a game off the bench. He was like an 80 overall. That guy was amazing. Really nothing I could get. Just go for like a Winning Gabriel. I think in real life has a lot of potential to be a really good power forward. But 2K does not agree that he has potential, so no. I will take Matthew Dellavedova just for the sake of having the Curry stopper. I know that that's not entirely true, but he's the Curry stopper, man. You gotta get him in the rotation. I want to see him on the bench cheering these guys on. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the playoffs. 163, 100 splits. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to leave him in the rest of the year, see how he does. So we finished 55 and 27. LeBron is the MVP. LaMelo Rookie of the Year. Dinwiddie Sixth Man of the Year. Most Improved. Blah blah blah. How did Christian Wood not win it? Whatever. Joel Embiid All NBA Second Team. Julius Randle. Hello. Guess you got picked over. What's his name? I'm having a brain fart. Ben Simmons. Whatever. Tyrese Maxey, rookie second team, whatever. Yeah, cool. First seed, we managed to hang on for dear life. Okay, so this could be one of my quicker videos because this team is already a contender in real life, and I just made a couple changes to make them better. So maybe they can just win this year, and then this will be a 1-year rebuild. Let's find out. Game 1, dub. Game 2. Dub. Game 3. L. That one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Bro. We better blow a 2-0 lead. No, no, we aren't. No, we're not. Oh. Okay, I thought they were coming back for a second. No, they were not. We just kind of smoked them. Okay. Cool. I didn't add Ben Simmons. That's why we were losing. Ben Simmons was not a scoring option. Yep, I'm sticking to it. Oh. Art, bro. They outscored us 39-17 in the fourth quarter. Joel Embiid got hurt and the team fell apart. Oh my God, we just lost in the first round. What happened to Joel Embiid? He sprained his knee. Okay. Averaged 20 points in the series. He averaged 17. They all averaged less in their regular season. So did Dwight. Shake Milton went up. Rudy Gay went down. He went down. He went down. He went down. He went down. Yeah, he averaged. He went from cooking it to trash. Okay, so we just got clamped up by the Raptors. Okay, whatever. Lakers NBA champions, LeBron back-to-back rings, whatever. Goodbye, Miami Heat. The 28th, probably nothing. So I'm just gonna sim through the draft. To rookie signing. 73 overall. Shooting guard. Okay, cool. Team, I'm declining your $10 million. Sorry, dog. Can't afford that. Okay. Free agents. Who are we losing? 33 million, but we do have rights. You'd best believe I will offer you that contract. Player option. He's accepting it. Fergan Korkmaz, I don't care. Renounce all your rights so I can have as much cap space as possible. Okay, right. I do have my mid-level exception still. What do I need? Don't need a point guard. Need a shooting guard. Don't need a small forward. Need a power forward and need a center. I could bring back Rudy Gay. But he's old. He's gonna get a lot worse. And his system match isn't that good. What is our system? Grit and grind? I'm stupid, bro. How do I change the system? I'm terrible right now, bro. Hang on. I can't remember. It's like system proficiency or something like that. I don't think I can do it yet. I don't know. Our system can't be something that good, but I need like a center, a good center that isn't old and washed. Like Mike Muscala is gonna for sure get a lot worse. I think I'm gonna sign. Dang, bro. I don't really have an option here on any like good players. Affordable. My affordable for all positions. Let me do that. The best players available were already on this team. I guess I could do George Hill. 1-year deal. Okay, Dwight wants $18 million. Ain't no way, bro. I will offer Hassan Whiteside a deal. He's declined it. Okay. Okay, what I was going to do is I was going to change Shake Milton back to a shooting guard. His overall even goes up. So now that makes him our starting shooting guard. Terrible three-point shooter. What's his rating? 77? I don't know why that was so trash. But now we have George Hill back. Hopefully, it won't get that much worse. Probably will. Hope not. I don't want to. Like, do I still affordable all positions? I still need a center. And I could still afford Willie Hernan-Gomez. So I'm going to throw him a 1-year deal. And then power forwards, I do still need one of y'all. You're the best player, but you're old. Not really any young players that are going to get better. So, welcome to the team, dog. You think I could trade anybody? Seth Curry, maybe. You're making a lot of money for not really being that good of an overall. Terrence Mann's not that worse than you, and he's making a lot less overall wise. I'm thinking that I might like Javon Carter. He's making so much less for not even being that much lower of an overall. What's his 3-point? You can look at his attributes. Attributes. 79 is not bad. I think I'm going to get him. Okay, so now I have him off the bench instead of Seth Curry. And now I have this thing called money. The problem with that is I can't really use that money. But now I got it in case I need it. Like, what about Rudy Gay? Can only offer a minimum? You sure? That's terrible. I can only offer minimums. Trash. Okay, well, I guess Patrick Patterson's my best option. I do need another point guard. I got 4 shooting guards, actually. I'm fine. Welcome back to the team, Boban. Tony Snell. Okay. That should be enough. This Cam Thomas guy, 19 from LSU. Never actually heard of him. Is he really a prospect for next year? I've never heard of this dude. He goes down as a point guard, so I'm not going to change him. But right now, we are not looking better. We're looking a heck of a lot worse, and I just spent $30 million on a 84 overall. This is a hard rebuild because of the salary cap situation. Then, bro, Patrick Patterson went way lower. I'll release that fool. Let me go a couple days in, then maybe. Holy cow, we got smoked. Anyways, I'm really trying to get a good backup power forward, but these guys don't seem to be budging. Gay, negotiate contract, minimum, second year be player option. That does not make it better. 10-day contract, can't. No trade clause, yes. You don't want it, okay, whatever. Hopefully we can, win games. Solid. Isaiah Thomas is an animal. Can't believe he got cut from the Pelicans. Okay, Matisse Thybulle, welcome back to the rotation. Tony Snell, get out of here. Appreciate that. Your stats aren't terrible, but at the same time, your stats are trash. Alright. All-Star game does not matter who I'm the captain. Don't. Oh, no, no, yeah, Joel Embiid starting. Okay, cool. Okay, don't see. Yeah, just Joel Embiid made it. Okay, cool. At the trade deadline, 32 and 19, fourth in the conference. Not that 3 games out of the 6th seed. So hopefully we can maintain that 4th seed. Let me do some trade finders. Let me trade finder DeMar DeRozan because he got a lot worse. That scares me for the future. Chris Middleton's making more money. Ooh, this is Kemba Walker's last year. That might... Because he's going to keep getting worse. And if this rebuild ends up being longer... Ooh, but I could get Paul George, who's been cooking it. But he's going to be getting worse soon, too. Excuse me? Okay. Yeah. I'm okay with that. Um... Okay, I got really nothing to say. Other than, welcome to the team, Ja Morant. That's insane, like, actually. Holy cow. Alright, well, I'm simming the rest of the season. We better start winning. Or trade for Ja Morant. A player that's averaging 27 before we trade it for him. Lose our first 3 games in a row with Ja Morant. Win a couple games. Lose another 4 in a row. Finally start winning 5 consecutive games, and then he gets injured. And so we still, though, at that point, we're a 4th seed with 2 of the best players in the conference. And we fell to the 6th seed and now have to play the Brooklyn Nets in the first round. Oh my god, bro. What is the luck? Please tell me we can beat Brooklyn. Oh? I think we beat them. First game? Alright. Think we lost. Yeah. Oh, that actually ended up being close. Lost by 3. Now they're gonna... Yeah. They're gonna do what they were supposed to do. Blow us out the water. It's close. It's really close. No, we lost. Oh, it ended up actually being extremely close in the end. Alright, down 3-1. That's terrible. And there you go, back-to-back first round exits. Oh, okay. That's really frustrating. Year 3, and we somehow went from the 1st seed to the 6th seed with a team that consists of Ja Morant, Ben Simmons, and Joel Embiid. Flying offers? No, it don't matter. All right, so right now, need a point guard and a center. Delon Wright is solid, but he's making a lot of money. I think I'm gonna go with Thomas Satoransky. And for centers, I would like a younger center. Go with Nerlens Noel. Give him that 1 year deal. Okay, so I guess I can't sign Thomas Satoransky. Hmm. Man, that's terrible. He goes from a 75 to that. Okay. He's a point guard. He's the point guard. Okay, whatever. Get a third string power forward. Torian Prince is solid. Third string small forward. Rodney Hood, not that good in 2K. Neither is Torrey Craig, even though they're great in real life. I could bring back Tony Snell, even though he'll probably get worse. Who's this guy? Solid. I'll take him. No, who's somebody that might just maybe get better? None of these guys really look like they'd get better, so I'll just take Michael Carter Williams and call it a day. Training camp. This is looking like it's going to be a long video. So, I'm thinking we should be great this year with no injuries. I'm thinking this is it. This seems like the season. Ja Morant, athleticism for Kelly Olynyk. Alright, I'm ready. We need 15 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, well, okay, Ja Morant, welcome, buddy. Okay, lately we have been losing a lot. We started out, we had a really hot stretch, but then we started losing. But the contract extension deadline, we're the 4th seed. Let's see the stats. Ja Morant's leading the team in points, Embiid 22, Simmons, and then everybody else is following suit. I still think that this is the year. I need to re-sign Embiid. Nobody else will re-sign. Okay, Brook Lopez is testing free agency, and so is Ja Morant. Okay, cool. Any, like, how's Noel doing? Solid. Olynyk, solid. Thibault, terrible. Might, you know what? Thibault's not been good at all. This is definitely his bust scenario, where he turns out to not be a good player. So, Robert Covington's never efficient. Cam Reddish? You're willing to give up 83 overall Cam Reddish? Okay. Now I gotta sign a point guard. He did not mean to even offer him a 10-day contract. Yeah, what? Alright, whatever. Alright, y'all. This is the new team. Starting five: John Morant, Jake Milton, Cam Reddish, Ben Simmons, Joel Embiid, and then Kelly Olynyk, Noel, Cam Thompson, Travion, Kinsey, Michael Carter Williams, Brooke Lopez, Torian Prince, Alex Caruso. Yeah, solid team all around. I think we could do better with a better system. Hang on, real quick. Actually, I'm gonna try that system proficiency. Grit and grind doesn't work in the playoffs. Never does. That is technically our best. I think actually no, balance will be our best. Switch us to a balanced system. And let's see how this works. Still 500. Still being 500 for some reason. We get a little bit above 500, then we stay 500 for the rest of the year. It's terrible. Does not matter to me. Embiid made it cool. Don't. Oh, Ben Simmons made it cool. Sweet. At the trade deadline, 32 and 21. We've been 500 since like the third month of the season. It's just been win loss, win loss, win loss, pretty much. Trade finder. Can't really think of anybody that I would trade on this team. None of these guys are really underperforming or overperforming. What about Brooke Lopez? You're making a lot of money. Derrick Rose? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on now. Derrick Rose? Okay. Thanks, Knicks. Genuinely appreciate you, dog, because I need a backup point guard. Now I got Derrick Rose on my team. That's some, like, genuine appreciation from me, dog. Would be possible without you. Alright, let's simulate the rest of the season. So, like, devastating watching a team underperform like this. It's like being a Thunder. Oh, wait, I am a Thunder fan. Like, bro, that whole year, the second we would start getting a winning streak, we would immediately get a losing streak. Like, you see that last 10, 5, and 5? Like, it's not playing, bro. Like, can I view the calendar? Is that, like, even a thing anymore? It used to be. Season stats, no. Team standings, power rankings. Can't really, but look, look, look. I'll just look. Look at this. Hang on. Where's the game share? Lost the last three. 1, 2, lost 1, 1, lost, win, win, lost, win, lost, 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 win, lost, 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 win, 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 lost, win, 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 lost, lost, win, lost. Like, bro, it's literally trash how inconsistent this team is. Because, like, we'll look like Jesus 1 second, and then the next second we look like the 2016 Brooklyn Nets. Like, this team is way too good to be not good. Joel Embiid, John Morant, Ben Simmons, Shake Milton, Cam Reddish, Derrick Rose, Kelly Olynyk. Like, there's so many good players on this team. All right. 4v5 matchup against the Celtics. We lost game 1. All right. Not a good sign. Not a good sign to lose both games on your home court. Okay, we hung on for dear life. Game motherfucking 7. Okay. Off to a terrible start. Not good at all. And yeah, we lost in the first round for the third straight year. You know what? I think this video is gonna have to be multiple parts. This team has vastly disappointed me as it lost as a 57 win first seed. And then with John Morant, Ben Simmons, and Joel Embiid made the 6th seed and lost in the first round. And now as the 4th seed with these 3, lost in the first round again. So I think I'm going to end this here and have to make this a part 2. So, yeah, see you guys later, I guess. See you tomorrow, or, well, whenever I decide to film the next part.